I want to say this thing for a long time. Now only I got the opportunities with evidence. Uh, Today I want to share this topic, and you have already read the topic below. Job portals, please remove these fake companies from your job post. The screenshot is the evidence that happened to me, and I want to share that most of the candidates are not properly researching about their companies, but only apply carelessly, and they got message like, to get a job you need to pay like this, which you see in the screenshot itself. From 2023 I am facing this issue, and I just want to give alert for everyone. Before going deeply in this video, I just want to share, I'm not going to offend or blame anyone in this job based things. And even the LinkedIn like job portals doesn't know these type of traps for that happens with the candidates. So I just want to share it for them also as a awareness only. Don't take anything too seriously. But if you see these type of company means, just report them. You have report option here to report the companies, okay? And if they are asking you money needs, you can report them, okay? So don't ever hesitate or hide yourself from reporting this type of companies that ask you to pay like this. Guys, in this company we are going to see the skill parko thing. The company description and all the things here will be looking so realistic, guys. We can't even doubt it's a fake company, okay? But you need to research about the company by clicking this profile page and find their official website in the visit website page, okay? You won't find any internship or any jobs, join us, work with us, or any other things like hiring. We are hiring, like that option you will never find in this website, in their official website. I also first thought they are hiring without informing or applying or posting their hiring points in their official website. But not this company, but in other companies, similar companies, I got a call from that particular person, particular coaching center. They said first I asked them, I applied for the job, and like that only. And that person who asked me didn't ask my name or didn't ask my skills or any experience of mine. He only asked me about, madam, you are lacking in your work, lacking in your skills. If you joined our course, you may get increase of your skills, like that he mentioned. I was like, I told him again, I only applied for the job, and you are saying that I need to join in your course, but I only applied for it. I know, ma'am, but you are lacking in your courses and your skills. That's why we are offering this, like that they say. And I was like, okay, how much it is, like that I asked. They say around the fees that are mentioned like this below. They are asking me to verify their website like this to find the payment. And you know, in their company website also they say education, like that only. But still LinkedIn is allowing these type of companies to post the jobs post to scam some people. I hope the other job portals like LinkedIn will see this awareness. I asked a similar company that contacted me that I said repeatedly again by saying, I'm only looking for a job only. I'm not looking for any course related things. And he said, he said that after completing the course, you will get placement. I asked him, how can you guarantee? But he said, we can guarantee, ma'am, but you will get job after learning the course. Like that he said. I seriously can't understand this one thing. For candidates they are asking lot of things like digital locker thing to verify my data with the pan card, other card things, and also other verification proof. But LinkedIn is really asking these type of fake recruiters candidates to get verify and do research about the companies to learn that they really have the career page thing, or they are really hire the career page like that, they do that. I also don't know. If you know, please comment about it. We are now going to see the second company that I'm planning to apply, which is the day of engineer internship. And they say etc things and etc details of the company job description. And I say okay, it's good, it's perfect, and it's go well, like that. And the next, we click this apply thing here. It transfer to another job portal, which is also normal. So, okay, it will direct to the job portal where the official job posts were added. So we find this thing here, same description, everything is super perfect, right? But we will go to their official LinkedIn profile, and we will also find their official website. Good. Now I find the home about courses, blog, contact, like that. I find it here. Even in the course inside, we find the course details here. And I thought I was happy to find this apply now by thinking I'm going to apply for job. So I clicked it, but unfortunately, it is disappointing to me to find this course with payment details. Can you believe it? Now you can see they are really hiring for candidates, or they are really hiring or asking the students to join in the course, and with some no guarantee placement. Comment it below, please. Here comes the next company, guys. This is the one of the company that more loving, because whenever I add this report thing here, I repeatedly get more updates from this. I don't know whether the reporting process in LinkedIn is in error or any changes like that. And also, main important thing here is they have two names for their company. One is Inten Kaka Shah, like that. When I go inside the profile here, which says it has service and consulting, like that, I can't find the website link here, but I Google search it. I found this no information available and temporarily closed. It's another company, okay. So I find like this for this company. So sorry, consulting company. And after that only I scroll down here and find this unified mentor. So I go to the web LinkedIn. I found this and I found also the website which opened this unified thing here. But the problem is they only mentioning about the courses in the here like this. And for learning, they say this like this. And for job seekers, it says it's suspicious. Okay, so I only find this course area thing here and like this. So I go down and I find these things below. Also, they have career page. I'm happy about it. But the problem is after going here and clicking this one, I see this type of form, and they are asking me to apply. In my previous course thing, around November 2023 or October 2023, whatever month I don't remember. In that time, I was joined in this similar unpaid course in another coaching center company. I that time I don't realize it was a coaching center or consulting center. I just thought after 1 month of free training, I will get the job in the company itself. That's why I joined. And after that, the 1 month went smoothly, and I was like, okay, we will get the job. In the next month, they asked the candidate to pay. I don't have proper evidence for this. That's why I didn't want to share the full data about this company. But this company is asking to fill up these forms, and when they call you, you will know whether they are asking you to join the company or immediately, or they are asking you to join in the course. Okay, the course prices are available here. If you want to join, means it's your choice, but be aware of where you are applying. Okay, because they don't share the same job portal details. I will show you this one here. Okay, so when I do this, the form, same form is opening with a different outlook. So you need to be careful about which form you are accessing, like that. In this company, AI Vidya is a company. Okay, the job portals are convincing. They also mentioned it's unpaid internship for 6 months, and some people without research, they apply this see apply thing. And I want to share this one. I visited their LinkedIn page, and I official website, and it say we the site can't be reached, like that they said. After that, I Google searched about it, and I found nothing similar website name. Okay, but some different companies with a different logo are available. Okay, so I want to share, if you find courses, training, coaching, intern, what's that, consulting, and education, like that, highlighted SEO keywords were found by you, means please verify the company details like I am doing right now, and then apply for the jobs. Because I had this experience with me with other company, and these companies I'm mentioning you, not by directly but via my friends. After applying for the job post, they just ask for your qualification, like what you studied, and then they will mention, then assume that you are lacking in that particular course. So for that you need to attend the training, but you have to pay for the training. And then they will say that you are lacking and you have to pay and join the course. But there is no guarantee in placement or having jobs. Okay, so be careful and take some time to research about it before joining this type of coach or education centers. I'm sharing this information because I want to show this content as a awareness thing. And one more thing I want to share is, you can easily post a job post in LinkedIn or Naukri by clicking these type of free job posting option here. I was shocked first to know what is it. I was shocked. We can also, as a candidate, job seeker, can create a fake job post in it to apply, make candidates apply for the job that we write in this start hiring with job post button as a fake recruiters or something. But please don't make that such a mistake, and also don't ever do and pretend as a fake recruiter. Okay, it is too dangerous. Okay, so we need to be careful. And these type of buttons are available for the candidates, which is disappointing to me. Not only in LinkedIn, in also Internshala also they have the options. But some people are converting their uh, profile from candidate to recruiters to make those things happen. So be careful before applying, and don't ever use this button if you are a candidate or are a job seeker. Okay, so don't use it. In today's video, we are going to see a next level company name called Business Web Solutions. And I want to share that most of the people are not properly understanding the paid internship. I already added a blog regarding it, but still, most of the people are not aware of it, and making some of the issues like paying the uh, company. I mean, the candidates are paying the company to get the certificate and reports under the internship, but the candidates are not getting the fees. But the candidates are giving the money to these type of people here. This is also, they say, IT service consulting, like that they say. And you know that's what I want to share it here. So with the evidence, I want to share, like, the website is available for them here. I'm not saying it is a wrong thing or wrong place to do your internship like that, but I'm saying the difference only. Okay, so the difference we are saying that, for the internship thing, I got one thing. I'm not any doing any addiction like that. After applying via these pages, okay, I got these type of plans things, certificate things based like this only. And it says to last date to apply, enroll. After enrolling in this, I scrolled down. Okay, I scrolled down to find this type of things here, which will say about their skills and training based thing like that. And what I don't understand is why the internship must have a refund policy. That I never understood, because most of the people say that, for internship only the company members will give the student or the person who are working as a intern will get the salary. But why some companies asking the candidates to pay fees to get the certificates and get the reports and get the project rights, etc., etc., thing, I don't understand about it. And they have this cancellation thing and internship thing. And in for training and internship, the candidates must enter module like that, they have that. And they are saying we have to pay for the internship, which is making me sad. They should have only mentioned the training only, but they are saying that we need to pay for the internship, for the training. I don't know whether it is legal, so I will ask you whether it is legal to the audience itself. In this video, I want to share a clear definition about the fees internship and paid internship. For paid internship, candidates will get salary, stipend, and their monthly bonus from the company itself. So that is the paid internship. For the fees internship, the candidates have to pay for the company to get trained and get certificate and get some of the other reports like that. But the real internship, the company has to give the salary. That is the paid internship. Please don't compare this fees internship that candidates has to give to the company, and the paid internship that company gives to the candidates as salary or stipend. That's what I'm requesting you to analyze properly in this video. In this business web solutions also, you will find this job based thing here, which may be official, but you need to research about it properly. And even the job portals must research using the AI thing also, which is popular nowadays, to make it. And confirm whether the candidates have to pay and then upload it in the job portals. It will be more useful for the candidates also, and the to avoid their negativity about the job portals. Okay, and we can also see they don't have any reference or hint or hidden message about paying thing, etc. But for internship, they have the reference thing and refund thing like that they have. So you need to be careful while applying for these type of companies. Okay, so you need to research about the companies properly. So now we are going to the next company name, Solar Secure. Most of the North Indians and my side also got this type of internships by paying them. Okay, even the Let's Intern also showed something similar about this fees internship. Okay, this is a fees internship also, like the previous internship that also asked the candidates to pay. Okay, in this we will open the website link here, and you will find career page here. In this you have a little twist here. In career page, they have the job, means you may think it is a real official company, and you don't need to pay as a candidate to the company. But here is the twist I will show you right now. Let's go down back in the footer page. Okay, you see this, right? In this, we have to do one time registration. Fees is 999 rupees to get your certificate, documentation, specific project. If they are asking money, means it should be referred as a training, but they are also paying salary. I don't know whether, I don't also confirm whether it is real or not, whether they are really paying or not. Please refer it in the comment section itself, okay? Because from what I know, some say promise like giving, but some don't give money to the candidates that apply here, right? Okay, so that's what I want to know. And I want to share another thing. I already wrote a blog regarding this issue, but uh, the title name is paid, unpaid, and fees internship. Like that, I wrote a blog which I will show in the video description, and you will also see the difference here via the video also. And yeah, so I will try my best to share this content as short videos. Okay, so to get awareness like this type of things, and you also get aware of these things and carefully analyze research about the companies properly before applying for any of the jobs in the online or via the job portals. Thank you.